Tired of your Kvcore text campaigns falling flat? Let's tackle a burning question: can you actually add clickable links directly into your SMS messages? The short answer is generally no. Due to carrier restrictions and spam prevention, embedding traditional hyperlinks in SMS messages isn't typically supported. You might see the link appear, but it won't be clickable for the recipient, rendering it useless. However, don't despair. The key is using a URL shortener like bit.ly or 10URL. These services condense long, unwieldy links into shorter, more friendly versions. Simply paste your original link into the URL shortener, copy the shortened URL, and then paste that into your Kvcore text campaign. This makes the link easier to read and less likely to be flagged as spam. Remember to always preview your text message within Kvcore to ensure the shortened link displays correctly. Another alternative: consider including a QR code in your marketing materials and direct recipients to scan it for instant access to your listings or website. You can mention the QR code in your text message. Finally, focus on crafting compelling text that encourages a direct response, like calling you or replying to the message. A strong call to action can be more effective than relying solely on a link. And there you have it, leveraging text marketing with Kvcore.